back to my show with me, Aiden. So today we're going to read a book about a cat getting lost and finding the way back home. So here's the book, and let's see what we have to read.
Okay, read it.
I'm a little cat. Wait, I thought I skipped. I am a little cat. I was adopted by a nice lady. We were keeping each other company.
We enjoy.
I did that. She made me a nice basket for me. Nice basket for me to sleep in. But I find her old slippers much more comfortable. Hey, Mommy, if you make it at number 2 right there, I'll make it huge. I try to knit like the way she does, but I'm not very good at it. Instead, I have fun rolling the balls of wool and all around the room. At night, I look for mice in the cupboard. I haven't touched one yet. This morning, when I looked out the window, I saw a lot of little white butterflies coming out the sky. That's funny. Everything is all white in the garden, and the ground feels very cold under my paws. So we hear paws. That's my mom talking. She records video. Now there's a big monster chasing me. I run away as fast as I can. I finally escaped from the monster. I said escaped here. But I ran so far that now I'm lost.
Next.
Oh my god. I meet a friendly little alley cat. He says he'll help me find my way back home. We're already almost done. We have been wandering around the streets for a long time. It's dark now and I am beginning to feel cold and hungry. I want something to drink. I'm super thirsty. Suddenly, I can see my house. We scratch at the door. The nice old lady opens it and gives us both some milk. Last page. It's so good to be back in my warm, comfortable home. And guess what? The nice lady is going to let my new friend stay with us forever.
Bye-bye.
That's it, guys. Bye. I guess I'll wrap it up for today. Please, if you like it, please give it a like and thumbs up. And I hope we get lots of likes.